Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to use magnetic lashes. I know we've done that before, but there is magnetic eyeliner now, and it's 100 times easier, quicker, and foolproof. Like, you can't mess it up. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys, and I'm also really happy to be partnering up with Eylure London for this video. I love their particular magnetic eyeliner and lashes, and these are the magnetic eyeliner and lash system, and it says you can do it in 5 minutes. I think you can do it quicker, but I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyeliner and lashes, and it's so quick, it's easy, and you can't mess it up, trust me. And lashes can get really difficult, but with these lashes it's like 1, 2, because the magnet is going to attract to the magnetic eyeliner, and wherever you put it, that's where it's gonna stick. And if you wanna take it off, you can just take it off and reposition it, and it's not gonna get messy. So I'm gonna show you how I apply them. It's so easy and it's quick, especially if you want to look glam that day, or if you want lashes but you don't have the time for it, you have time for this. It's literally liner, lash, and then move on to the next step, or you're out the door. So I can't wait to show you guys this. If you want to see how this turned out for me, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm gonna get straight into showing you how to use these magnetic liner and lashes. It is insane. When I first heard about it and I tried it out, I was like very skeptical, because I've tried magnetic lashes before, and some of them have worked for me and some of them have went totally wrong, like the worst experience of my life. So I'm like, okay, do I really want to do this? Because, you know, lining the magnets up together is kind of difficult. But this is different. This is not what you're thinking. This is a magnetic eyeliner, which is crazy, and it actually works. The magnetic eyeliner and the magnetic lashes. These are from Eylure London. They're called the PROMAGNETIC Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash System, and it's a 5-minute application, and it gives you 15 wears. It lasts so long, you guys, not even kidding. They are absolutely unreal how easy this is. The lash style that I'm gonna use is very wispy, and that's this style right here. It comes with the magnetic lash eyeliner, and then it also comes with the magnetic lashes. So there's 4 tiny magnets in there. You can see them on the lash band. And so the lash itself is magnetic as well. I was so surprised when I used these. I'm actually gonna cut them a little bit. My scissors are all the way downstairs. Great for me. Love that for me. Be right back. I'm back with my scissors. You can tell these are my lash scissors. I'm just gonna cut a little bit of the ends. And instead of trying to take the magnet lash on the top and the magnet lash on the bottom and stick them together without them flipping and going weird, this is so much easier. You can breathe, and you can actually just do your liner like you normally would do your liner. Because the Eylure brand approached me to do this, and it was a sponsored video, and I initially was like, let me try this out, because I don't know if I like the experience enough to do a magnetic lash liner. Like, I just don't understand it, and I don't really believe it too much. So I tried it out, and it was like instantly I'm like, yes, I'm gonna do it. It's so good. Like, this actually works, and it's so fun. This is the eyeliner right here, and it is very black. It's not like a weird gray color or a weird black. It is pure black, which I love. First, I'm gonna apply the eyeliner. So I'm just gonna do my eyeliner how I normally would. And you wanna put 2 to 3 coats of this eyeliner on. So first you start off here. You can do it as thin as you want. So I first start off out, and then I bring it in. And I like to do more of a thinner line, and you can totally do that with this brush, which I like. And you don't have to put it on right away. You want it to dry. So I'm gonna do the other eye, and then we'll pop on the lashes. Okay, so now we have the eyeliner on both eyes. Allow it to dry for a little bit. I usually give it about 30 seconds. So I'll do a little bit of a lip while that dries down. I'm gonna use this Nars Taha Satin Lip Pencil. So I'm gonna do my lips how I've been doing them, which I really like. And honestly, it almost looks like the filters that they took off of Instagram. Very rude. No, I really like the shape of the lips though. It's like a heart, so I go above my lip line right here. I actually used to do this a long time ago when I was in high school, actually. I like the way it looked in the center. It was really cute. but I never did this part, which is right here where you go down and then you go out. You like flare out your lips, so it makes it look, I don't know, it just makes it look like a cute little heart and it looks elongated and lifted. I just did a video about my makeup routine, like my updated everyday natural makeup routine, and it also lifts my face, and my brows and my lips are what has really been lifting my face lately, and these little lifting tricks are so useful. And then I'm gonna go in with the Parfait lip gloss, this really pretty pink sparkly gloss from Chloe's collab with Pixi, the Chloe Morella X Pixi gloss. Such a pretty gloss. Oh, and it smells so good. You don't want to go too crazy like Joker, but sometimes I'll catch myself, I'm like, it doesn't need to look that crazy elongated, you know? It's not an eyeliner, it's your lips. I love the way it lifts my lips. And actually I'm add a little bit of powder around my T-zone. I feel like I'm getting a little oily, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of this one from MAC. Okay, so now that it's completely dried, now I'm gonna add on the lashes. So I have the lash right here. Get ready for this magic. Here we go. Okay, I need to position them, right? They look crazy. Look at how easy it is. There goes one side. You can press them in a little bit. They don't really slip and slide because it's a magnet and it grabs onto the lash so fast. Whoa. I was so excited to show you guys this. This actually works. Sometimes when you have trouble with your lashes, like it comes up in the front or on the side, wherever you normally have trouble with it, usually for me it's like right in here. This liner will not let that happen to you because of the magnets. Okay, so I'm gonna put it down here first. And then you can go ahead and press the lash together. All right, so I'm gonna look down for you guys so you can see how close they are to the lash line. I mean, you can see how I need to kind of fix my eyeliner, but they are completely attached to the lash line. And if I back up, whoa, like how easy and crazy was that? I just want to fix my eyeliner now that I've seen it so close up. The cool thing about this is that if you do like put it on in a weird way, like this one I feel like is hanging off too much. I could just take it off easy. I can just reposition it. I'll reposition it now so you guys can see. You see how it just hugs? It's attracted to the liner. Okay, so now once you have them on, you can just take some mascara and then mesh them together with the lash. And I already have some mascara on, so I'm just gonna mesh them together like this. And they're good. You're basically good for the rest of the day. It's so easy. Their styles are really nice and wispy. It's something that I could wear every day, so I really enjoy these and I wanted to share them with you all. And that's it. This is the full completed eye. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, and also check out these two videos on the side. If you missed them, they are waiting for you. Check them out. And if you haven't followed me on Snapchat or TikTok, I'm new to TikTok. I'm learning how to do TikTok and it's a lot of fun. Now I have this like obsession with it, and so that's pretty much it. I love you guys. Don't forget that you are special. You are everything that you need to be, the way you are right now. I love you, and don't forget to love yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, dollies.